analysis of organic compounds. The detection of various elements in an organic compound is called qualitative analysis. Detection of carbon and hydrogen. Detection of carbon and hydrogen. We will now study detection of carbon and hydrogen. The analysis of an organic compound is the first step to find the elements present in it quantitatively. The detection of various elements present in an organic compound is called quantitative analysis. Carbon and hydrogen are present in almost all organic compounds. Let us see the procedure of detecting carbon and hydrogen. Take the organic compounds in a dry test tube and mix it with cupric oxide, that is CuO, 3 times its weight. Heat the compound strongly. The evolved gases are passed through a delivery tube containing a value with anhydrous copper sulfate. Then it is passed into lime water taken in a test tube. If a carbon is present, it forms CO2, that is carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide gas turns lime water milky. The reactions involved in these reactions are C plus 2 times CuO gives rise 2 times Cu plus CO2 and CaOH whole twice plus CO2 gives rise CaCO3 plus H2O. If hydrogen is present in the compound, it forms H2O vapor or water vapor. Water vapor, when passed over white anhydrous CuSO4, it turns blue by forming CuSO4 5H2O. The reactions involved in this process are 2H plus CuO gives rise Cu plus H2O and CuSO4 plus 5H2O gives rise CuSO4 5H2O. Test for nitrogen. Sodium cyanide first reacts with ferrous sulfate and forms sodium hexacyanoferrate. On heating with concentrated sulfuric acid, some ferrous ions are oxidized to ferric ions, which react with sodium hexacyanoferrate to produce ferric hexacyanoferrate, which is Prussian blue in color. The formation of Prussian blue color confirms the presence of nitrogen. The reaction undergoing in this test is given here. Test for sulfur. The first method of estimation is as follows. The sodium fusion extract is acidified with acetic acid and lead acetate is added to it. A black precipitate of lead sulfide indicates the presence of sulfur. S minus 2 plus Pb plus 2 gives rise PbS, which is black in color. The second method of estimation is as follows. On treating sodium fusion extract with sodium nitroprusside, appearance of a violet color further indicates the presence of a sulfur. The reaction involved in estimation is given here. Test for halogen. The sodium fusion extract is acidified with nitric acid and then treated with silver nitrate. A white precipitate soluble in ammonium hydroxide shows the presence of chlorine. A yellowish precipitate sparingly soluble in ammonium hydroxide shows the presence of bromine. A yellow precipitate insoluble in ammonium hydroxide shows the presence of iodine. The reaction taking place is Ag plus X minus gives rise AgX, where X can be Cl, Br or I. test for phosphorus. The compound is heated with an oxidizing agent, that is sodium peroxide. The phosphorus present in the compound is oxidized to phosphate. The solution is boiled with nitric acid and then treated with ammonium molybdate. A yellow coloration or precipitate indicates the presence of phosphorus. The reaction taking place is given here.